Yeah. Full out point toes. Josh, definitely call out comments as well. Brooke, you have to bring that bottom leg in on that little scoop. Start showing me emotions. Too fast, Brittany. Travel. Stretch. This part needs reworked. Hold your stomachs. I want energy. Beat the crap out of that payphone. Girls, you're too slow. Something's not up there. It's not right. Travel. Don't get mad. Keep going, Carrie. Down. Use your plie. Breathe. All right. This is the second part coming up. I want to see it as strong as you did the beginning. Go. Get up. 1, 2, and 3. Breathe, Carrie. Jump and down, back. Keep going. Build, build. Brooke, pick it up. Come on. Get those legs up. Look up. Reach. Nice, Carrie. Good, Brittany. Go, pitch, down, and hit, down, circle, and you're really late. Down, around, good, Brooke, yes, Brooke.